Hello good people, today I'm gonna show you some more green spots of my area. I'm sure you all will love it. Just let me turn the camera around so that you can see all the beautiful places. Look how beautiful, how scenic this place is. I'll show you the road. This road connects one district to another. You can see this water course up there. It was built long time ago and it's still intact. There is a garden a little further. I'll show you that soon. Just stay a while. This is the garden I just talked about. You can see the car there. A vehicle is standing there. So this area, all this area is a garden. So many boys are playing there in the playgrounds. When we get to them, you will see them properly. Almighty Allah has blessed this place with a lot of natural beauty. This place is so mesmerizing and stress relieving. When you are in the company of nature, you forget your worries, stress, you forget all these things. You are in peace with yourself. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Have a look at this group of boys. They are Free Fire lovers. See? They are busy playing Free Fire. These guys are playing cricket. This is a healthy activity. And many more boys are playing over there, this place. They are enjoying their games. So now it's time to wrap up this video. Please give me your comments in the comment section. Please don't forget to give your comments. Please like this video and share it as much as possible. Bye bye. See ya.